Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a tree as a catapult in Crimson Desert. This is a good way to traverse the environment, especially if you're still low on stamina. In my opinion, it's even better than aerial maneuver and aerial swing. Hold down your axiom and aim it halfway up the tree. To maximize the effect, walk back until you won't be able to. Now hold the pull button. You'll see that the prompt for the pull will be different. In my case, this should now be a scroll wheel. I'll now spam my scroll wheel down to pull the tree. Once the tree is pulled back to max, a new button will appear that allows you to do a high jump. Press this and you'll be launched like a catapult. This is a great combination with flight if you have a decent amount of stamina to cover ground much faster. You can even combine this with aerial force palm to gain more height during the launch. As you can see, I covered so much ground this way. And that is how to use a tree as a catapult in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.